Hi everyone, welcome to Numeric Learning. In today's video, let us solve an important 4-mark question from Introduction to Trigonometry. The question is, Ramini and her parents went to their hometown during winter vacations. When they reached their when they reached to their village, Ramini saw a beautiful house whose entrance is triangular shape as shown in the figure. Answer the following questions. So basically you can ignore everything that is given here and let's start by understanding what is the figure. You are given figure a triangle ABC. Okay, based on the given information, answer the following question. If D is the midpoint of AC, then you have to find the distance or length of BD. Okay, first of all, let's draw this triangle once again. So this is the given triangle. Okay, and you have a perpendicular onto your AC. So here you have triangle A, B, C. The length of AC is 16 meters. This is your D is a midpoint. BC is 8 root 2 meters. AB is also 8 root 2 meters. Okay. So if D is the midpoint of AC, find BD. So the first thing is you have to find BD. Now since we have whatever is given, right? AB equal to BC is equal to 8 root 2 meters. Right? AC is nothing but 16 meters. Okay, since D is the midpoint, of AC, therefore AD is equal to DC is equal to 8 meters. 16 by 2, that is 8 meters, half of AC. Okay, now look at the triangle ABC, right? We know this distance AD is 8, BC is also 8. Okay, you have to find BD. Apply Pythagoras theorem because it's a right. ABD is a right angle triangle. So hence so in the right angle triangle ABD, apply Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square, and BD square is equal to AB square minus AD square. What is AB square? 8 root 2 the whole square minus AD is nothing but 8 square. Okay, so this is what you can take 8 square common out. So inside you will have root 2 the whole square minus 1. 8 square 64 multiplied by root 2 the whole square is 2 minus 1 which is 1. So therefore BD square is 64 into 1, 64, and BD is equal to plus or minus root of 64, which is 8 meters. So you've got BD is nothing but 8 meters. Correct? So this is your first part. For the second part, what is the measure of angle A? You have to find angle A. Okay. Now we can, in the same triangle ABD, we can apply, since this is the reference angle A, this is what is asked. So you can apply sine A. Sine A is nothing but your perpendicular. So if this is your right angle triangle, this is your hypotenuse, right? And sine theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So which is nothing but sine A is equal to perpendicular BD by AB, P by H. Okay, P by H. So let's write that. So for the second question, in order to find out angle A, I'm going to write sine A is equal to P by H. What is your perpendicular? BD. By what is your H? AB. right? BD by AB. So what is your BD? BD is 8. AB is 8 root 2. So 8 gets cancelled. So sine A is nothing but 1 by root 2. So sine of which angle is 1 by root 2? It is sine 45. Okay, so sine A is equal to sine 45. Therefore, A is equal to 45 degree. Angle A equal to 45 degree. So this is your second answer. Now, for the third one, what is the value of sine A divided by 1 minus cos A? Okay. So, for the third one, you have to find out sine A divided by 1 minus cos A. Okay. Now, we know that we just calculated sine A is nothing but 1 by root 2. Correct? We also have an identity, trigonometric identity, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. So, cos theta is nothing but square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. So, therefore, just write it in terms of A. So, cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sine square A. That is square root of 1 minus, what is sine A? 1 by root 2 the whole square. So this is square root of 1 minus 1 by 2, which is again 1 by 2. So square root of 1 by 2, which is 1 by root 2 again. So cos A is nothing but 1 over root 2. Okay, now you can just substitute. So therefore, sin A by 1 minus cos A is equal to sin A is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 2. Just solve it. So 1 by root 2, here you'll have root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. The answer is 1 over root 2 minus 1. So this is the answer for the third one. Okay. For the last one, what is the value of cot square A plus tan square A? Again, now we know sin A and cos A, right? So we know sin A is equal to cos A equal to 1 by root 2. We just proved it. Now what is tan A formula? Tan is nothing but sin A by cos A. What is sin A? 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2, which is nothing but 1. Okay. And what is cot A formula? 1 over tan, which is also 1. Right? Therefore, for cot square A plus tan square A is nothing but 1 square plus 1 square, which is nothing but 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this is the answer for the fourth one. A very easy question to do. Just that you have to understand the question and write it step by step, one after the other. No major trigonometric identities have been used. It's a very basic question, but yet it's a 4-mark question. So if you carefully do it, you will definitely be able to get entire 4 marks. So do try it yourself once, and if you like the video, please do comment, do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Happy learning. Thank you.